Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to send an email directly through Power Apps in a very simple and practical way. Before we jump into the demo, let's quickly understand why this is important. Using Power Apps to send emails helps you automate communication directly from your app, save time by avoiding manual email drafting. Trigger emails based on user action like form submission, approvals, etc. Build more powerful business applications. So here I have a blank canvas app. Now go to the data section on the left hand side and connect Office 365 Outlook. First, insert a text input. Now go to the right hand side in Properties panel and then go to the placeholder. Remove the existing text and add two. This will be used to enter the recipient's email address. Now copy this text input and paste it here. Change the placeholder to subject. If you want, you can also rename this input. Now I want to add one more text input and change the placeholder to body and again rename it if needed. Now insert a button. Rename the button to send an email. Select the button and go to the onSelect property. Remove the existing one and add this formula. This formula is used to send an email directly from Power Apps using an Outlook account, the Office 365 Outlook. Part is the connector that link your app to Outlook, and send email v2 is the function that actually sends the email. In this formula, text input 1 dot text represent the recipient's email address and text input 1 dot text is the subject of the email and text input 1 2 dot text is the body of message content. The last part is an optional setting that adds a CC recipient. So overall, when the button is clicked, this formula takes the value entered by the user in these input fields and send an email through Outlook with those details. Now click on preview, fill the detail like into enter email ID and give the subject interview confirmation Power App automation, and then in a body you can give this one. Now click on send an email button. So open your Outlook inbox and here you can see the email has been successfully sent. So in this video we learned how to send an email using Power App step by step. Thanks for watching.